With Jimmy.
And we have more trailer trash talk.
First of the year.
First, Happy New Year. Here's some trailer trash talk. First one, what do we got? Monkey Man?
Monkey Man, Dev Patel.
Close your eyes, and you will find yourself. When I was a boy, my mother used to tell me a story of a demon king and his army. They brought fire and terror to the land until they faced the protector of the people, the white monkey.
I love how all these like skinny, nerdy kind of guys are getting so buff.
Yeah.
You are a beast.
That freaked me the fuck out.
You know what I'm really loving? Like,
In this city,
when you see from producer Jordan Peele,
give me the job.
it's almost on the same level as by director Jordan Peele.